Hi, my name is Mushi Deborah Harush, and this opportunity for all of us to learn from each other and do this aquatic exercise the best thing that can be. I will be speaking about bone density, also about osteoporosis, what will be correct or better to have in your nutrition, the choices you have for it, exercises that should be done to continue and having more bone density, and what's going on in research. I'm talking about this because some years ago I did a research and we succeeded in showing that water exercise can influence bone density. We don't need super resistance. We need more resistance than our bones and muscles use in our daily living. So the water can give us that. If we work in the correct way, we will be influencing our muscles and our bones. It's true that both of them are needed, land and water, but water is a really great place to practice. So I would be very happy to share all this with you and to hear your questions. And don't miss this convention, because always what Marietta organized is top. It's the best. Just go for it. So see you soon.